how does one go about bringing that societal change? उसमें क्योंकि there's so many schools, India has such a large population, awareness level तो बढ़ ही गए हैं. There's no doubt about it in so many different fields. What can we do as a society to change that?
So, Arjun, I would say I think this begins at home. We have to start talking about it and not talking about it to the girls only, but I think getting the men to also know, the men in the family should also know that a woman having her periods is something normal. It's a normal bodily function, just like any other bodily function. You cannot isolate her, you cannot make her feel unclean. You might think it doesn't happen right now, but I'm telling you from my practice in South Delhi, I get repeated requests for postponement of periods because घर में पूजा है, so वो तो हो नहीं सकता.
The postponement का क्या मतलब? People are asking कि
Taking
दवाई दीजिए.
medicines to push the periods away so that they can participate in religious functions. It's a normal thing, it's a done thing, it's understood that periods हो रहे हैं तो पूजा नहीं करना है.
तो उससे तो complications भी हो सकते हैं, the health complications that can.
Not really, it's done very safely, but I'm just talking medically, it doesn't have so much of an implication. You can take 5
So I
tablets.
guess what you're talking about is the medical, I mean the kind of ideas that society has.
The mindset about the
mindset.
period, that it's something unclean, it's something which should not happen to a woman when she's clean. So I think that needs to go. It's just a normal bodily function.
So, we're talking about menstrual cycles. Can you also talk about some of the health disorders?
Right.
As far as this particular condition is concerned?
So, since I'm talking about adolescent gynecology right now, when a woman comes to that point when she's supposed to have her first period, there's a condition called primary amenorrhea. So, I'm not particularly going in order of importance, but just a random, just telling you what kind of problems can happen, starting from the beginning, for instance. So, there's a girl child in the house who still hasn't started her periods by the age of 16.
Right.
So that is a medical problem. It's called primary amenorrhea. The reason could be hormonal, could be something like the non-development of this genital tract. It's a syndrome called the Mayer-Rokitansky syndrome, where there is no development of the uterus. They don't have a uterus.
Right.
So that is a big issue, medical problem. So apart from that, the more commoner problem would be the girl has started her periods, but she's having heavy periods.
Right.
Because of unmasking of maybe a subtle clotting problem that she had, which was okay when she was not having her periods. But once she starts her periods, then the medical word for this is called menorrhagia. She starts having heavy periods which need treatment, investigation and treatment. And
Right.
that's when we find out, oh, she's had a clotting problem all along. Third most common thing is painful periods. Here also the statistics say that about 80% of girls may have painful periods during their lifetime, and up to 2 to 30% of them can have serious problems to the extent that they need to be hospitalized, they need to come to the hospital, they will miss their school, they'll miss their work or routine regular classes. So that is a third number. Fourthly, we come to almost something which has become an epidemic by now, polycystic ovarian disease or PCOD.
Right. और PCOD के बारे में तो बहुत सुनने को मिल रहा है. At what stage do you come to a doctor like yourselves?
So our commonest referral, so leaving these two major issues aside, that the girl has a structural problem or she's having heavy bleeding, the two common problems are painful periods and disturbance of periods, which is PCOD. I find somehow that girls take a lot of time in reaching the doctor because their mothers, their family tells them, it's okay, we all have had periods, it's all right to have pain, it's all right to put up with it, be brave, put up with it. But that's not true. That's not right. Given the kind of, our children we see have such active lives, it's not fair to ask them to put their lives on hold for 2 to 5 days of their lives in every month.
Right.
Every month, 2 to 5 days go waste because you're having pain.
So that awareness has to come because the first line is actually the family, right? It's the mother or the father, whatever the family. So सबसे alert family को होना चाहिए, so that if there is a problem with an adolescent girl, they need to get proper medical advice, not their referral के जी हमारे साथ भी ये हुआ है तो you will get by it. So you have to go to a professional doctor, right? Because you have solutions.
ऐसी ही दिलचस्प और महत्वपूर्ण हेल्थ इश्यूज के बारे में जानकारी प्राप्त करने के लिए देखते रहिए हेल्थ मंत्रा।